Hi folks, a new video today we will talk about Avalanche. AVAX was esteemed at $30.41 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Recall that digital forms of money are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically finishes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 6.12%. 7 days prior, on May 7, Avalanche was exchanged at $57.04 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its current position. On April 14, which was by and large a month prior, the theorists exchanged AVAX at $79.95, the cost level that is at the distance of 60.79% from where it at present stands. Recently, on May 13, the market capitalization of Avalanche remained at $8,178,780.04. 7 days prior, on May 7, the capitalization of AVAX was $15,339,385,985. A month prior, on April 14, how much capital streaming around this specific market added up to $21,448,504.096. The complete stockpile of AVAX presently remains at 395,891,290 coins. The flowing stockpile of the digital money under survey is 268,945,816 AVAX. Throughout the course of recent hours, the exchanging volume on the Avalanche market was enrolled at $712,960,249. Recently, on May 13, AVAX had an exchanging volume of $1,842,476,763. 7 days prior, on May 7, the normal everyday exchanging volume on that market added up to $887,460,259. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Avalanche to the level at $31.35 where it presently sits. As currently referenced, AVAX is a mid-position cryptographic money since it by involves the 12th spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the metric not entirely settled, by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the advanced resource. On account of Avalanche, the market capitalization remains at $8,437,788. The significance of this boundary will be made sense of later. The cost of AVAX and the readings of CVIX are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts. Market capitalization is another significant metric that assists dealers with deciding the prominence of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities. It's additionally used to evaluate the offer that Avalanche holds inside the whole cryptographic money market. The equation for the estimation of market capitalization is fairly straightforward. The flowing stockpile of the cash being referred to is duplicated by its ongoing cost. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of AVAX remains at $8,437,788, enough to name it the 12th biggest coin on the digital currency market. Here the moving digital currency of the market is bringing a great deal of consideration from financial backers since today. Further here, you will find out about AVAX Price Prediction 2022 and Avalanche cost diagrams. This video will assist you with concluding whether you ought to purchase the AVAX coin or consider other altcoins like Decentraland, Cardano, and Polkadot. The present moment there are many coins prepared to beat Ethereum, and Avalanche is one of them sitting at number 12 position, prepared to have its spot in the main 10 coins. Each financial backer is searching for the most solid and wondrous digital forms of money in the market that will introduce high outcomes in the following couple of years to the financial backers who keep or put their worth in the digital currency. Today, we will discuss digital money that hitting the moving segment of the market. Before you put resources into this symbolic, you need to know how the market is responding and the way that it can help you. Torrential slide price prediction will assist in going with the ideal decision of which coins I better or how much the coin is protected. Allow us to let you know that Avalanche is a layer 1 blockchain that goes about as a program for decentralized applications and custom blockchain networks. It is one of Ethereum's adversaries, endeavoring to oust Ethereum as the best blockchain for shrewd arrangements. It proposes to do as such by giving high exchanges of up to 6,500 exchanges each second without imperiling adaptability. Torrential slide blockchain attempts to determine the trilemma, which accepts that blockchains can't arrive at an adequate level of decentralization for an enormous scope. One result of this is high gas charges, as is many times the situation on Ethereum. What is Avalanche? Torrential slide is the quickest shrewd agreement stage in the rundown of blockchain industry, as estimated by Time2 at long last. Torrential slide is blazingly quick, minimal expense, and eco-accommodating. Any shrewd agreement-empowered application can outflank its opposition by conveying on Avalanche. The coin was sent off on mainnet on September 21, 2020. From that point forward, the stage has developed more than 400 plus individual activities, $64 million or more of AVAX consumed, 1,200 or more individual Square delivering validators, and over 1.3 plus local area individuals all over the planet. What is the AVAX coin? This is a local badge of Avalanche. It is a hard-covered, scant resource that is utilized to pay for charges, secure the stage through marking, and give a fundamental unit of record between the numerous subnets made on Avalanche. Numerous significant subtleties of the coin are not accessible on the internet, but rather CoinMarketCap.com shares the vast majority of the authority data connected with the coin, like its ongoing cost, exchanging volume, and a lot more data. This is enough until further notice, yet there is something else to be aware of the Avalanche blockchain and how it can possibly be a main 10 coin. AVAX price prediction. Alongside it, Avalanche was established by AVALANCHE, which was laid out by Cornell University teacher Emin Gun-Sire and Cornell University computer science PhDs Kevin Seknicki and Mafin Tedyin. Gun-Sire is a specialist in cryptographic exploration, having made an applied distributed virtual cache 6 years before the arrival of the Bitcoin white paper. Here, we are giving a AVAX price prediction through which each broker who accepts to put their cash in it will get a legitimate clue connected with this astonishing token. To get a few significant yields on your speculations, then you really want to take profound examination prior to putting away your cash at any spot. Remember that Avalanche price prediction that we have given beneath depends on how the task is performing and what the technicals are talking about. Also, it is weak to dissect what issues Avalanche is settling in the decentralized world. AVAX price prediction 2022. In the cost of this token, we might want to illuminate you that the ongoing cost regarding the token is $4.57. It will presumably speed up before long. You can see an incredible skip before long, and here there is a major open door that you will see the token develop greatly and give you an immense benefit throughout some undefined time frame. The assessed cost of the token before the years over 2022 is $95.38 United States dollars.